Join me as I challenge myself to transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance in under 30 seconds. When it comes to trading cryptocurrencies, speed is everything. As crypto enthusiasts, we're always looking for ways to stay ahead of the game, and that means being able to transfer funds quickly and easily. That's why today, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance in just a few clicks. We've all been there, stuck waiting for what feels like an eternity for our transactions to process, only to be slapped with hefty fees that eat into our hard-earned profits. It's frustrating to say the least. Slow transaction times can mean missed opportunities, and high fees can chip away at your trading budget. One of the biggest challenges users face when transferring cryptocurrencies is the lack of control they have over the process. You're at the mercy of the blockchain, waiting for confirmations and hoping that your transaction doesn't get stuck. And let's be real, who hasn't had a transaction get stuck at some point or another? It's a nightmare, and it can be a major setback for traders who rely on being able to move quickly. But what if I told you there's a way to avoid all that hassle? What if you could transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance in a matter of seconds, without breaking the bank or losing your mind? That's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. First, make sure you have the SafePal wallet downloaded and installed on your device. From there, navigate to the USDT token and select Send. Enter the recipient's Binance address, and make sure to double-check that it's correct. The last thing you want is to send your USDT to the wrong address. Next, select the amount of USDT you want to transfer and choose your transfer speed. I recommend going with the fastest option to ensure that your transaction is processed quickly. Once you confirm the details, click Send and let SafePal do the rest. As we wait for the transaction to process, let me just say that I'm loving the speed of SafePal. This is what it means to have a fast and reliable wallet. No more waiting around for confirmations or stressing about high fees. And there we have it. The transaction has been confirmed, and our USDT has been safely transferred to Binance. That was quick, wasn't it? I mean, we're talking under 30 seconds here. That's the kind of speed that can give you an edge in the crypto markets. So to recap, transferring USDT from SafePal to Binance is a quick and easy process that can be done in just a few clicks. By following these simple steps, you can avoid the common pitfalls of slow transaction times and high fees, and get back to what really matters: trading and making profits. If you've had any experiences with transferring cryptocurrencies, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more crypto tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.